Ever wondered what makes your car's engine run smoothly, delivering just the right amount of power without guzzling fuel like a thirsty camel? That's where the mass airflow sensor, or MEF sensor, comes in. This little component plays a big role in your engine's performance, but when it starts acting up, it can cause all kinds of headaches, some of which you'd never expect. The MEF sensor measures the amount of air entering your engine, helping your car's computer decide how much fuel to mix in. If this calculation is off, even slightly, your engine could start misfiring, stalling, or burning way more gas than necessary. And here's the kicker. A faulty MEF sensor can make it seem like you have completely different issues, leading to expensive and unnecessary repairs. One of the first signs that your MEF sensor is failing is poor fuel economy. If you notice that your car is suddenly getting fewer miles per gallon, don't just assume it's because you've been driving aggressively. Your sensor might be feeding your engine too much fuel, making it run rich. On the flip side, if it's underestimating airflow, your engine might not get enough fuel, leading to sluggish acceleration. Another giveaway? Rough idling. If your car feels like it's vibrating more than usual at a stoplight, or if the RPM needle is jumping around, your MEF sensor might be struggling to read air intake properly. And if your car randomly stalls while driving, that's a major red flag. Since the MEF sensor directly affects your fuel-air ratio, a faulty one can cause your engine to cut out unexpectedly, which is not something you want happening in the middle of traffic. Ever had your check engine light come on, but your mechanic can't find anything obviously wrong? A bad MEF sensor can trigger a whole range of error codes that might not immediately point to the sensor itself. Mechanics often replace oxygen sensors, spark plugs, or fuel injectors, only to find out later that the real culprit was the MEF sensor all along. So what can you do? First, check the sensor itself. It's usually located between your air filter and throttle body. If it's covered in dirt or oil, that might be your problem. A dirty MEF sensor can cause all the symptoms we just talked about. Cleaning it with a specialized MEF sensor cleaner is a quick and inexpensive fix. But don't use just any cleaner. Harsh chemicals can damage the delicate sensor wire. If cleaning doesn't help, replacing the sensor might be your best bet, and thankfully, it's usually not too expensive compared to other engine components. Ignoring a faulty MEF sensor can lead to long-term engine damage, increased emissions, and even catalytic converter failure. And that's an expensive repair you definitely want to avoid. Have you ever experienced any of these symptoms in your car? What was the fix? Let's talk in the comments. And while you're here, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car-saving tips.